Alright guys, for today's video, mag-unloading tawag isa ka 10-wheeler wing van truck Panabo to Coronadal City and i-unload na to kay Insulation Foams. Let's go! Basig na adi ay may laing requirements diha naga-tracking po tawag 6-wheeler o 10-wheeler wing van drop side. Naasad ta self-loading for towing or low bed for heavier equipment units. Napunta boom trucks ranging from 3-tonner up until 10-tonner boom. Naasad ta 12-tonner crane and up until 200-tonner crane. Rough terrain or crawler crane. Pati hydraulic hammer naapod ta. Forklift 3-tonner, 5-tonner o 12-tonner naapod ta. Manlift naapod ta. Nagabaligi apod ta genset from 25 kVA to 1500 kVA depende sa inyong requirement. Nagaparenta sa da genset pero depende sa availability. Salamat. God bless.
Bringing only good vibes.